Hey folks, this is Tristan and I want to just preview what is going to be upcoming in my channel probably within a few weeks. I've arranged for an in-home demo of this setup here, and this is the iFi Drop Can, or Zen Can, sorry. iFi Drop Zen Can signature DAC and headphone amplifier. And these are the two units here. The headphone amplifier retails on drop for I believe $289, I think it is. And that's on the right, and it's this right here, and then the DAC is I think $249, something like that. So for, I don't know, about, what is that, a little over $500, you get both the DAC and the amp, fully balanced, ins and outs. Unfortunately, they did not send me the 4.4 millimeter interconnect, which is an additional $89 to go from the DAC to the amp. So I'm just going via RCAs right now, not in balance mode. And they're also going to send me a pair of Sennheiser HD6XS's, because unlike other iFi amps, this one, instead of having a bass boost, it actually has a Sennheiser HD6XX optimized button, which is supposed to sort of EQ it specifically for those headphones. So they're sending me those headphones and I haven't received them yet. So again, it might be a couple of weeks or something before I'm able to really give everything a full listen and review, but I did want to just show you what's kind of on deck. I'm liking what I'm hearing so far, and it certainly seems to have plenty of power with 4 different gain levels here to drive my what I'm driving them with, which currently is the Hi-Fi Man Arias. It's a MQA DAC as well, so it can render MQA like from Tidal or whatever. And yeah, so far I'm liking what I'm hearing so far, but yeah, I just wanted to do this little preview video. And here's just kind of a look at the front panel so you can kind of see what it all has. And this is the DAC. The DAC right now is set to fixed volume level, so this doesn't really work, but on the back there is a switch to set it to a variable digital volume level. But you know, if you're running this with an amplifier that has its own volume, then you probably want to set that to fixed, so it's like a preamp out level, you know, line level out. And then you would do your volume with the volume control here. So yeah, see you in my next video.